Welcome to this week's MWF Tech Tip session. Today I will be guiding you guys on how to insert hold downs within your panels. There are going to be two options that we're going to be using, one within your panel properties and the other underneath the tools menu. You'll find right here the add hold down to member. Now they're both going to have the same options, the same rules. It's just a matter of how you're picking your members that's going to change from one to the other. So to start off, we are going to go within our properties menu. Underneath miscellaneous, we're going to go look for the hold downs, and we're going to get this pop-up dialog box. Now before we start, you'll notice that everything is grayed out. I can't select anything, so we need to enable hold downs first. We will then have the option to insert bottom hold downs and top hold downs. You can do both, or you can just select one of the two. And when I do this, we'll notice again that I activate it. All my options here become active, as well as the anchor configuration. So if you wanted to insert the bottom anchors to go with your bottom hold downs, this is available. In my case, I'm not going to touch this for today. We then have the placement pattern. So I'm going to put it on the start of my studs, left side. I'm going to leave the family type here for the hold downs as is. You guys have whole series available, you have different families, and then the types that go with each of the families. Moving over here, you'll notice that we have place by offset. Now, if for example you had a plan and you knew where your hold downs were going to be going, you could activate this and set, let's say every 2 feet is where I want to insert my hold downs. Now in my case, I just want them to go on my members, so I'm not going to activate this. There's an option here for elevation, which is the same that you'll find over here as offset. So if you want to elevate your hold downs in the Z-axis, going up your members, you can have an offset right here. And the last option is valid member tags. Now, to show you guys how this works, I'm going to uncheck cripple. So this means that it's going to automatically place hold downs on all my members, but I don't want it to insert any where cripples are involved. So I'm going to go ahead and hit OK and OK. And we'll notice that all the hold downs should come on the left side here of all my members minus the cripples. Okay. So all across. There we go. And now to demonstrate the second option, which is underneath our tools, add hold downs to members, I'm going to first remove all these hold downs. So I'm going to go back into my properties underneath the hold downs, and I'm going to remove the enable hold downs. Hit OK and OK. This will remove all of them within the wall. And now the difference with the tools is you're going to be selecting the specific members that you want the hold downs on. So I'm going to select this. Oh, I deselected. There we go. And then it's going to ask, it tells you at the bottom, select one or more vertical members. I'm going to go back here, say finish. We're going to see the exact same dialog box as we had before. So we need to enable them. Same rules. I don't want to change anything. I can leave these on now. It doesn't matter. And then when I hit OK, it should only tag the 5 that I've selected. And there you go. In this option, notice that we have hold downs on both sides. And this is because within the properties, I have left the hold down options on both. That's okay. That'll be it for this week's tech tip, learning how to put hold downs within your panels. We will see you next week for another session.